Hi there. In this session, we are going to talk about automated Facebook lead generation using Google Chrome extension, Google Sheet, and AI. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is to do a keyword research for our ideal customer profile. Okay. You have to sort keyword for this research, and then you have to search on Facebook. So in this we are searching restaurant owners in Florida. Okay, you have to select the groups. In that we should have 5,000 plus members. Okay, that shows activities and engagement. Next is we are going to scrap members data out of these. Okay, so we will install this extension naming instant data scrapper. Okay, then next step is people tab within your chosen group. Click the extension icon. So here the step is mentioned. You have to click on infinite scroll, then click on the start scrolling button. You will get the data you can download in CSV file. Next is you have to clean and prepare data in the Google Sheet. Okay, so you can put it their link, name, date, join, description. Okay, and you can add column for first name. Okay, once you sort data and clean it, the next step is you have to use AI, ChatGPT. So you can use it for a personalized messaging. Okay, you can create a prompt like this, create a message and column in Google Sheet, use formula to combine the crafting message. So this prompt should ask the about the specific services and mention group name to establish context. Next is the automation setup. So for the automation, you need for Windows Gbit and for Mac Merc. Okay, so these tools quite often we use for automation. Okay, so it is kind of record and execute micro. Okay, you can open these tools and you can follow the process. Okay, so for safety setting, what we do here, when we are going to send messages, okay, it should not be very fast. It should be 20 messages per hour. Okay, so or even lower to avoid Facebook spam filters. Next is how you can record the macro. Okay, using this Gbit software, this is the step through which you can easily, you know, automate your lead generation process. You can start sending messages automatically. Okay, you have to click the start record, and then you have to follow the copy URL, find message, then copy message, then paste send, then update status, advance to next level. Then you have to click stop recording, and then you have to run the micro. Once it starts running, it will work automatically. Okay, so do try it out, uh, how you can generate Facebook leads. In the next we are going to talk about high impact strategies for generating leads and clients. Okay, so in this session we are going to talk about 5 proven zero cost lead generation method. Okay, so this is for anyone, from any guy you want to run HR agency or any other agency, you want to start a business in your domain. It can be finance, consulting, right? So you can use these approaches. So first is LinkedIn precision targeting. Okay, so in LinkedIn you can use extension like Snow and Signal Hire. Okay, it will extract their public professional mail ID, address, phone number directly from the LinkedIn profile. Okay, then you have to send messages to the decision maker. So what you have to do, you should have the understanding of your target audience, key decision makers. You can do the research using this section of LinkedIn. Okay, and find out all these people and you can reach out them. Next step is advanced Google and Instagram scouting. So Google also provides us a search operator. Even SEO professionals use it for a multiple purpose. So you can use search operator site colon instagram.com in URL business name semicolon finance director @ gmail.com. So let's say if you understand your potential client having @gmail @outlook anything else, you can try this kind of search operator to for finding high quality leads. You can do it in any niche, and this will allow you to directly get the content information from their social profile. Okay, so very used technique for with the combination of Google and Instagram, you can get the data and you can outreach. Next is local business audit for unoptimized asset. So to find clients who need help most, skip the first. Okay. So in this section, what is you have to put in Google search. Okay. Find local businesses. You can use VPN as well. Okay. And you can see the business online presence, or can audit their website, and in their website you can get their contact details and you can reach out to them with your services. So this is the third option you have. Okay, next is YouTube channel conversion hunt. Okay, so many YouTubers and content creators, even businesses, list their primary email ID in their about section. Okay, and if the website is available, you can copy also from there and you can put it in this website.informer.com, and you can get their primary contact details. So you can get their phone numbers, you can get their mail IDs, and you can reach out them. So here you have a fourth option from YouTube as well. The next is catch.co industry filtering. So this is a platform or website, you can go through it, okay, on Google, and you can build a qualified lead there. You can search specific ideal client industry, their location. So this platform provide a you know phone numbers, email IDs, and it will reduce your timing in term of generating a lead. So this is also a way out to gather you know data for your target customer. So you have here a 5 different options for getting the data and running your outreach email campaign, either cold calling or cold emailing or personalized mail. Next is the essential start conversion strategy is turning leads into contracts. Okay, so here I mentioned some pitches. Okay, the custom video pitch. If you ask me, is companies are doing or businesses are doing? Yes, there are a lot of small businesses who used to attach short videos in their emails to run the campaign, and it worked effectively for founders and owners. Okay, and use email tracking for optimal timing. Okay, so there are a lot of tools as such you can use it. Add a calendar link for instant booking. So I'm saying calendar link. If you want to go free version, you can share Google link as well. So Google also provide calendar where you can send the calendar link. Okay, next is creative follow-up and control scarcity. So when you have follow up with the client, do provide more values and the outcomes of your service, rather than going for a very generic pitch. So in this section we learned the how we can generate leads with zero cost methods. Okay, so you have here 5 different options. Before that we go through how we can do it from Facebook, right, using AI and Google Sheets. Let's going to next. I would say we can end this section and we can go with the next section.